Welcome to Arusha Airport. This is a small airport for domestic flights. So if you're coming from Zanzibar, you're most likely going to land here. If you're coming from Serengeti, from Ngorongoro, from Tarangire, you're most likely going to land in Arusha Airport.
Sable Square. Here we have everything from small shops to supermarkets and cafes and restaurants. Shoppers. Let's go, guys.
So if you get tired, you need to take a breather while shopping. You can just go and
Now we're heading towards Clock Tower.
In the Shanghai House here, coffee shop. It's a real amazing place for the visitors and the guests to come here. So please book with us, Safari Souls Tanzania.